If you do cardio workouts every day, some good things happen to your body. Cardio workouts make your body strong and help you lose fat. They also keep your heart and blood vessels healthy, improve your endurance, and make your metabolism work better. In this video, I will explain what cardio training is, how it affects your overall health, and when and how to do it. So, be sure to watch the whole video because it will be interesting. Let's get started! So what is cardio? Cardio, short for cardiovascular, is a type of exercise that makes your heart beat faster, using fat and glycogen as energy. It's great for your body because it helps your organs work better, strengthens your blood vessels, improve your breathing, and makes you more enduring. It can also help you lose weight. To do cardio effectively, your heart needs to beat faster. This speed up of your heart makes your body start working its metabolic and chemical processes. Keeping your heart rate in the right range for 30 to 60 minutes during exercise is essential for good results. But going over these limits can be harmful to your health. So it's important to keep an eye on your heart rate when you work out. Benefits of cardio. Cardio exercise is really good for your body. It does a lot of good things. Besides helping you burn calories and build endurance, it does some other important stuff too. It makes your lungs work better and gives your body more oxygen. It also makes your heart stronger, reducing the risk of a heart attack. Plus, it can help prevent problems like clogged arteries, high blood pressure, and diabetes. Cardio exercise speeds up your metabolism, balances your hormones, and makes your skin look better. It even lowers the bad kind of cholesterol, makes your bones stronger, and releases feel-good chemicals called endorphins that help you handle stress. It also keeps your central nervous system working well, gives you more energy, and makes you feel more alert. But here's the thing. For cardio exercise to really work and give you all these benefits, you need to eat the right way. It's important to have a diet that's rich in complex carbohydrates and protein. This kind of diet helps you keep your energy and make sure all your body systems are working properly. So, eating well and doing cardio exercise can make you super healthy. Let's talk about something called target heart rate. To figure out your target heart rate, you can use a simple formula: 220 minus your age. This formula helps you find the maximum heart rate your heart can safely reach during exercise. When you start working out, especially in the first few weeks, it's best to keep your heart rate around 60% of that maximum number. As you get fitter and more used to exercising, you can aim for a higher range, like 70 to 80% of your maximum heart rate. Now, how much you want your heart to work during exercise depends on what you want to achieve. Your personal goals decide which heart rate zone you should aim for while working out. So, use your age and these percentages to find the right heart rate range for your fitness goals. Let's talk about the best times to do cardio workouts for weight loss. The standard duration for a weight loss workout is about 40 to 60 minutes. Here's why. Your body starts using fat as a source of energy after about 30 minutes of exercise, so it's important to keep going. Morning workouts. In the morning, on an empty stomach, is a great time for activities like running, walking, or using cardio machines. This is because after a night's sleep, your body burns fat more efficiently. You can spend around 30 minutes on this workout. Daytime workouts. During the day, you can do any type of cardio exercise, but these workouts are better for strengthening your heart rather than rapid weight loss. Try to exercise for about an hour and make sure to eat some protein-rich foods 30 to 45 minutes after your workout and complex carbohydrates about an hour later. Evening workouts. Evening is another good time for cardio, and it doesn't differ much from daytime workouts in terms of duration. However, the effectiveness of burning fat depends on what you ate before exercising. To lose weight, it's important to have a gap of 1.5 to 2 hours without food before your workout, so don't store fat at night. Morning and evening workouts. For effective fat burning, you can combine both morning and evening workouts. In this case, keep each workout to about 30 minutes. The first should be done on an empty stomach in the morning, and the second in the evening, without eating anything after it. So, the best time to do cardio depends on your goals and schedule. Morning workouts on an empty stomach are great for quick fat burning, but any time you can fit in cardio is beneficial for your health and fitness. Just remember to consider your meal timing for the best results. Let's talk about cardio workouts for losing weight. But keep in mind that not all cardio workouts are the same when it comes to burning calories. If you don't organize your training correctly, you might not burn as many calories as you'd like. Also, if you do extremely intense and long workouts, it could be tough on your heart. So, it's important to plan your workouts carefully. Different people burn fat at different rates. It depends on things like your age, how hard you're exercising, and your overall fitness level. To get the best weight loss results, you should aim to keep your heart rate at around 70 to 80% of its maximum. This heart rate helps you burn around 500 to 800 calories in 1 hour. But remember, the right cardio plan should fit your unique characteristics and goals. When you start a cardio workout, begin with a slower pace and gradually increase your heart rate while keeping an eye on it. Running is a great choice for many people because it's effective. But if you're carrying extra weight, it can put a lot of stress on your joints and knees. In that case, options like swimming and jumping rope can be good alternatives. And if you want more information, there are links on the screen to other videos on this channel. See you soon!